Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide. Here is Nathan Weaver.
Greetings and welcome to Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom. I'm Nathan Weaver, founder and executive director of Petra Worldwide. Every August, a specific piece of mail arrives in every Florida mailbox, causing the recipient to have an instant spike in their blood pressure. It's called the trim notice, also known as truth in millage. It's the local tax authorities' opening move to tell you what they think your property is worth and how much they intend to collect from you. Most people see that number as simply a high number that's unreasonable. They give a deep sigh and they resign to paying it and moving forward. But what if they are wrong? What if your humble abode is being taxed like a palace? Today, we're going to answer the critical question: can my accountant help me appeal my property tax bill? Or do I need a lawyer to storm the gates of City Hall? Well, the short answer is yes. In the state of Florida, your CPA is legally recognized as a champion for your property tax appeals. Under Florida law, if you disagree with the assessment, you can file a petition with the Value Adjustment Board, commonly referred to in the language as VBA board or just VBA. While you can represent yourself, the law specifically recognizes three types of professionals that can stand in your place and often have a lot of credibility with the board. These include attorneys, licensed real estate appraisers, and certified public accountants. Your accountant isn't just a numbers person, they understand the strategic asset. While the attorney understands the law, the accountant understands the income valuation approach. That's the secret math used in commercial and rental properties. They can help analyze your P&L, identify non-taxable business assets that the property appraiser accidentally included. The building a case for fair value, that building of a case, that process is one that, the standard property appraiser may not put as much diligence or effort into as needed to get the best result.
Pastors and financial leaders, do you need expert accounting or tax help? Do you have payroll or 1099 questions? Do you need a ministry expert to help you acquire real estate for your next project? If the answer is yes, yes, and yes, visit petraworldwide.org. Petra Worldwide has been strengthening ministries to transform humanity since 2007. Visit petraworldwide.org or call 855-481-9095.
Something you might want to consider in strategizing your approach to your property taxes is that the federal strategy for IRS-related income taxes, it's got to be very different from the local approach. Under the One Big Beautiful Bill, the 100% bonus depreciation and the EBITDA interest rules are great for income taxes. But on the property valuation side, it's easy for those components to create a bit of a mirage. You have to be careful and just think about making sure you don't fall in the revenue trap at the local level. If your rental property spiked because of a short-term festival, because it's a short-term stay location, the appraiser may cap your property value at the high water mark of that activity, while your accountant can argue that, hey, this is a temporary surge based on this festival, not a long time just value for the property. Keep in mind also with these trim notices, you've only got 25 days from the date of mailing to make your appeal and to get before the authorities so that you have a fighting chance. Greater than 25 days after notice, then that door shuts and there's nothing you can do about it until next year. As a King Life member, you automatically have accountants, lawyers, and real estate appraisers in your membership. So we are able to come together as one team and fight for you. This is Nathan Weaver. Lead with confidence, live with integrity, and build something that lasts.
Listen every day at 4 p.m. for Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide, strengthening ministries to transform humanity. On the web at petraworldwide.org.